In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Mailchimp email templates with a quick and easy method that you can incorporate into your workflow right away. So let's dive in. First, you need to log in to your Mailchimp account. Open your web browser and navigate to mailchimp.com. Once you're there, enter your login details and head straight to your dashboard. This will be your starting point for accessing all the amazing features Mailchimp has to offer. Now, once you're logged into your dashboard, look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see an option labeled Campaigns. Click on this and then navigate to Email Templates. Depending on the layout of your Mailchimp account, this could also appear as Brand followed by Email Templates. This section will serve as your main hub, where you can access both Mailchimp's ready-made designs and any templates you have previously saved. Let's browse through Mailchimp's pre-made templates. To do this, move to the top part of the template page and click on Create Template, and then Layouts. Here, you'll discover an array of fantastic options. There are basic layouts like single column, two columns, and combinations of text and images. You'll also find themed templates perfect for various occasions, be it holidays, promotions, or newsletters. Plus, if you've previously crafted custom branded templates, you can find those here too. A great tip is to hover over each layout to get a sneak peek before deciding which one to work with. Next, let's say you want to revisit templates you've worked on before. Simply head back to the Email Templates section and click on the Save Templates tab. Here you'll find all the designs you've previously created or edited. This fantastic feature not only allows you to keep track of your work, but also provides options to rename, edit, duplicate, or use them for new campaigns. Remember, saved templates are reusable, which is a huge advantage for maintaining consistent branding across your emails. Finally, for those of you with a flair for custom designs, you have the option to import or code your own template. Begin by clicking Create Template and then code your own. From here, you can choose to paste in code, import HTML, or upload a zip file. This flexibility means you can bring just about any design vision to life within Mailchimp. And there you have it. A straightforward approach to finding and utilizing Mailchimp email templates. Whether you're using pre-made designs or creating your own, these resources should streamline your email marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tip helpful.